Experiencing a live product demonstration go wrong in real time is painfully memorable. And that's exactly what happened to Meta's CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, during an attempt to showcase the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. But here's where it gets controversial. Instead of a smooth presentation, the live event turned into a series of awkward moments, raising questions about the product's readiness and reliability. Live demos are notoriously unpredictable because they happen in real time, without second chances. Zuckerberg got a first-hand lesson in that harsh reality during Meta Connect, when the much-anticipated Meta Ray-Ban display glasses failed to perform as expected. One notable mishap was during a scheduled phone call demo. The call never connected, leaving Zuckerberg visibly scrambling to fill an uncomfortable silence. If you've ever felt embarrassed when tech suddenly falters mid-presentation, you'll understand the magnitude of this blunder. And it didn't stop there. Later in the event, Meta tried to highlight the glasses' real-time AI abilities through a live cooking demonstration. Yet, the glasses became completely unresponsive while trying to assist in making a sauce, seemingly unable to interpret or react correctly to the environment captured by their cameras. The situation grew even more awkward as the device struggled visibly, turning what should have been a highlight into another public failure for the tech giant. Now, the big question: does this mean the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses are doomed? Early reviews from hands-on sessions have been quite positive, showcasing what could be a game-changing wearable device. There's excitement about the glasses among tech enthusiasts, with praise for their design and potential practical uses. Still, the contrast between those previews and the high-profile demo disasters is striking, especially considering the product's price tag of $799.99. Should customers expect smooth, flawless performance out of the box? Or are these hiccups an inevitable part of pioneering new technology? This leads to a somewhat controversial angle. Is Meta rushing out smart glasses that aren't fully ready for prime time, relying too much on hype and big presentations rather than solid, consistent user experience? Or are these high-stakes glitches just the normal growing pains of cutting-edge innovation? What do you think? Do you believe Meta's Ray-Ban display glasses can live up to the early excitement despite these embarrassing demo moments? Or are these public failures a red flag to stay cautious? Share your thoughts. Are these products ready to transform our daily tech use? Or just another overhyped gadget? The conversation is wide open.